It's Morgan from WTI, and I really love this travel kettle. This portable electric kettle is from SizzleCook, and it is so cool. I've never had anything like this before. It's really great for needing to boil water or even soups and stews on the go. It is so easy to use. It's really, really quick when it heats up the water. I love that it has this travel handle here, and you can screw on the top and take it with you. Love the white color. It's a nice matte finish, easy to screw on the top. There's a pretty good amount of space in there, and I really love the look of it and how easy it is to use. It comes with a travel case and a plug, so it's easy to store or to throw in your bag if you're traveling. You just plug it into the wall, and it's pretty simple. Then you fill it with water, and you just pick the temperature that you want. And once it blinks and then it stops blinking, then it starts heating up your water. It's really awesome. It also shows you in real time the temperature as it's rising, so you can see how quickly it's heating up. And here I have it at 212, and that is a rapid boil. I was shocked at how great that was. I highly recommend this travel kettle from SizzleCook, and that's my point of view.